Hey everyone, welcome back to 10 minutes English speaking practice with me. I'm sure you're enjoying these sessions. Guys, this is only for you. I try to make your life simpler. So what I've done is I've come up with certain practice sessions on different formats. I've been experimenting on different formats to make sure that you learn to speak English fluently and confidently very quickly within no time. The whole purpose of this exercise is to make sure that you speak on those topics which are very relevant and very commonly used in our daily life conversations. So right now the format is about question and answer. Here what I do is I come up with certain questions which are used in our day-to-day conversation, day-to-day life, wherein we have conversations on these questions. So I pick up those questions and I answer those questions so that it becomes easier for you to understand what to say in English on these questions. These questions are so simple and so easy to understand, relate, and answer that you can also come up with your own answer. You need not to copy me, you can come up with your own answer and speak in English for 10 minutes every single day. So here what you can do is you can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, and as I previously said that you can come up with your own answer and start speaking on it. The only purpose is to speak in English for 10 minutes every day or be in practice with daily life conversations in English. This is going to help you to achieve your target of speaking English fluently and confidently within lesser time. So that is what my idea is to help you with. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently wherever you are, whether you are in office or you are in college or in a business meeting or at home. Wherever you are, you can just speak fluent English everywhere. If you want to know more about my sessions, do subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, guys, and also press the notification icon. Now let's get started. Question number 1. What is your opinion about online shopping versus in-store shopping? Well, online shopping has picked up a lot recently, right? I think from COVID times, it has picked up a lot because we all were in lockdown and we can't go out to buy, essential items or things. So what we used to do is we used to sit at home and buy things online, order things online and get whatever we wanted. So I think that time the online shopping thing picked up a lot. But I think before that also people has been using a lot of online shopping apps before as well. But yes, it increased during COVID times. So my opinion about in-store and online shopping is the thing which I know is good, the brand I know, the quality I know, the things I know which is good, I order online. But if the thing which I'm not sure about, I prefer going in a store, checking out other options as well, and then buying. And once I know that this brand and this thing is perfect for me or good for me, then if it is available online, I go for online shopping. So that is the difference what I do. So I prefer buying online. I do buy a lot of online stuff, whether it is a grocery or vegetables or fruits or shopping like fashion, dresses or anything. Electronics also I have bought online. Appliances also I have bought online. So whenever I'm in a confusion, I go to a store and check out things. And if I like it, I buy from there. And if later on I have to buy the same product, so I can order online there. So that is what my opinion about online and in-store shopping is. But I prefer buying vegetables and fruits from the store, and clothes and accessories and other items I kind of prefer 50-50. If I go out, I have time, then I shop there. And if I don't have time, I just order online. Question number 2. How was your online shopping experience? Well, I've done a lot of online shopping during COVID and the experience was kind of good. It was okay. It was good. It was more of good. But after COVID, But I had certain 2 or 3 experiences which was not so good about online shopping. But these are very specific to certain apps only. And now I have just removed those apps from my, uninstalled those apps from my mobile. Some online shopping sites are frauds. They send fraud items. They send items which you have not ordered and they take money and they don't refund it. So I don't trust them now. So I had 1 or 2 experiences, not much. I have done a lot of online shopping. I can say 98% times I have had a very good experience with online shopping. But yes, 1 or 2% I really had a very bad experience, the worst experience, online shopping experience. So I just uninstalled those apps. But Amazon is something which I trust and I buy things from there. And there are others also, First Cry for kids. That is also an app which is reliable for me, at least. Question number 3. Have you tried any new activities lately? Yes, I have. I do a lot of new stuffs. I keep on experimenting. I love experimenting with food. I love experimenting with my hobbies, and I love experimenting with traveling and lots more. So right now, recently what I've started doing is gardening. My dad loves gardening. He has a beautiful garden. He does everything by himself. That is the best part. He doesn't have a gardener. He does everything by himself. He has a help who helps him at times, but most of the time he does everything. And the garden is beautiful. I was also interested in all these things, but I couldn't do a lot of things due to a lot of engagements. So recently I have started coming up with gardening. I don't have much stuff in my balcony, but then I have started putting up things together. I like planting coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon, chilies, curry leaves, tulsi, all these things in my garden. I don't know why I'm fond of these things, but I love gardening. I have started with these things. And of course, flowers and other plants also are also my favorite. So I've just started putting up things together. It takes time, guys. It takes time to come up with a beautiful garden, and it needs time as well. You have to give some time to the garden. Then only it's going to grow. So I've started with a few things, and I'm going to add a lot of other things as well, seasonal flowers as well, and seasonal other plants as well, which are good in, which have a lot of specialities, like, some are insect repellents, some are purifying plants. So these kind of plants I want to keep in my balcony. So I've just started coming up with all these things. So I've started doing a lot of research on these plants, like what kind of plants I can keep in my balcony and what kind of stuffs, flowers, and what kind of other vegetables and fruits I can grow in my balcony. So I've started doing a lot of research, and definitely I'm going to work on this. Question number 4. Very interesting. What is the one thing you wish you had more time for? I hope you've understood the question, guys. It's like, we at times wish that, we go somewhere and we had to come back and we start feeling like, oh, I wish I could stay a little longer there. So it's just same. The question is about what is the one thing which you wish you had more time for? So I would say traveling, because there are lots of things to explore, guys. There are lots of things. You have your own country to explore. India is a huge, beautiful, multicultural, multi-diversity country. And you can't sit at your place and get a feel of everything, right? You have to go out and visit and see these places, experience everything, experience the culture, the language, the food, the traditions, and everything. So I guess traveling is something I would like to. I want more time for. I really don't have time, and I have not traveled to much places. So of course I want to explore India first, and of course I want to go abroad as well. But my first wish is to explore the whole of India, and then I'll go abroad and explore other country and city. That is my wish. And if I get more time, I will keep on traveling. That's for sure. Of course, with my family, not alone. And guys, what is the one advantage of traveling? You feel a lot of confidence. You become very confident in speaking to people, in interacting with people, in experimenting with things, right? Because you are not in your comfort zone there. At home, you have everything. You have your own car, you know the area, you know the space, you know the food, you know the language, you understand everybody, you understand people, right? So it's very convenient for you. But the time you step out of your house and go somewhere else to a different location, you are all alone. Maybe you don't understand the language, maybe you don't understand the food there, maybe you don't understand the culture there, maybe you don't know anything there, where to go, what to do, how to interact, right? So you have to build your confidence, you have to go and do it, right? You have to go and explore that. You have to talk to people, you have to interact with people, you have to build a rapport with people, you have to experiment with their food, their culture, their tradition, you have to talk about it. You have to visit places for which you have been there. It gives you a lot of exposure, a lot of confidence, and of course, a lot of happiness. So keep traveling and keep exploring. Question number 5. Do you enjoy exercise or going to the gym? Well, I don't like any. I don't prefer going to a gym. I don't like exercise. I just go for a walk. I love walking. I don't know. I love walking. I love trekking. I love jogging. So these kind of things I really like. I don't want to keep myself limited to a place and, exercise there. It gets very boring for me. So when I go out on a walk, I see a lot of people, experience a lot of things. When I go out, I see a lot of greeneries, I see a lot of people, I see a lot of kids playing, doing different activities. So it keeps me entertained. And I love that experience of exploring things. Look at the faces. People are talking, people are laughing, people are playing and doing a lot of activities. So you see a lot of things while you're walking. So I love doing that. I don't like going to a gym because, it's just a task, right? You have to, of course, you're doing a lot of tasks from morning to evening. You have to get up, you have to get your kid ready, get the breakfast ready, you have to eat, you have to get ready for the office, you have to go there, you have to work on certain set of things, you have to come back, again prepare for dinner, eat dinner and sleep. So it is all a routine task. And if you add one more thing, going to the gym also in that, so that is also a routine. So I don't want to just break that routine, and that's why I prefer walking. And exercise, I don't hate doing exercises. It's not like that. I enjoy Zumba. So it's fun. At times, me and my daughter, we put on the TV, play some Zumba exercises, then we do it together. So that thing we enjoy. So dancing on a music or, doing Zumba, exercising with music, that is something I really like. And I do it with my daughter. She also enjoys doing exercise like Zumba with music. So yes, that is something I enjoy, but not a typical regular exercise and hitting the gym. I don't like that. So guys, these were the 5 questions, interesting questions, which I just answered. I would like you also to come up with many other questions. You can come up with any question. You can come up with a list of questions and you can start answering those questions for 10 minutes at least. If not 10 minutes, start with 5 minutes, give 7 minutes and then increase it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time you enjoy doing. Okay, so important is you have to be interested. You should enjoy doing this activity. If you are interested in this activity, if you're enjoying doing this activity, then of course you're going to see the results very soon. So start coming up with interesting questions. Start coming up with interesting answers. That is also very important. So you can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can replace my sentences with your own sentences, right? You can write my answers, what I am speaking, you can write my answer, you can practice once or twice and then start speaking on it, right? And I would suggest video recorded, not or audio recorded, whatever is convenient for you, but video recording is better. Record it and listen to it again and again and see where you need to correct yourself or where you need improvement and start practicing again and again. Definitely, you're going to see the improvement very soon, guys. Do this exercise for 10 minutes every day, at least for 30 days to see the difference. I'm sure this is really going to work out for you. And do let me know. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you Bye bye.